Good morning and welcome back to Apodel's Multimedia. Today happens to be the 8th of July 2024 and it's the BECE Writing Week, the first day of the BECE examination nationwide. Here in the Tarkwa Nsuaem municipality, the BECE has about 12 centers, and I am currently at one of the centers, that is Tarkwa Catholic School. And I'm here to see the feel of the examination. I have seen, as you can see in your shot, students from Gofields Schools Complex. Gofields Schools Complex have arrived. They've done their best to arrive here early as possible. We know definitely some schools will arrive late, but Gofields is here and they have done their best to have arrived here on time. They came with two buses. It tells you the number of students that is writing the BECE examination from the Gofields Schools Complex. See the joy, some of them hugging their madams and stuff. And I think it's a joyful occasion. Some definitely would have some panics here and there, but still it's a nice atmosphere to have learnt things and then now come to a conclusion to write your examination. It's a nice experience. So the students are being guided to a safe location to at least use the little time they have ahead of them to at least go through some quick notes and then get themselves ready for the BECE examination. So that is it. I'm at Tarkwa Catholic School and I have a lot of students here. We are waiting for more other students from other schools who are also writing at the same center here to also arrive and then see how things will go. We will try our best to speak to some of the students, but they just arrived, so at least we have to allow them to feel the freeness and then just get themselves ready for the examination. All right. A lot of students from Gofields Schools Complex. Hey, Madam, hello. What school is this? Bride Benick. How are you? Yeah, this is Apodel's Multimedia. I don't know if you have one way or the other come across my channel. We are here to say, you came with a student. Oh, okay, that is. Total from Bride Benick. 26. Yeah, we wish you the best, okay? Yeah. So from Apodel's Multimedia, we want to wish you the best in your endeavor. Things will go well. All right. I also have some school in your shots. What school? Are you also writing the exams? Oh, okay, what school is this? Anglican, Tarkwa Anglican. Hey, St. Peter's Anglican School. In San Pedro, Vim was doing her. I tell you, obey Ata. Yankupon Holobo. Apodel's Multimedia, we teach fancy on the YouTube channel. I don't know if you have come across. So we wish you the best in your endeavor, okay? Yeah. All right, so say something. Okay. I'm not coming. Kun MA. Oh, obey yata. We should be an Yankupon Bongo, no, I can't from what church. Aha. Hey, Miraba, when the old woman was when you were there in the vet shop as I want. Hey, me, I'm going. And a busy watch and Alba. And I feel a bubble cook with me. Good. Tarkwa Catholic school, and then we have few students from few schools here. We have Akon Anglican MA, we have Bright Benwick Academy, we have Gofield Schools Complex. They are here. A lot of them would join. So I think they would have to. Some are really going out to get themselves ready. They will have to get some porridge, cocoa, and some buffalo to be na woketim na woketi bisuboto wache na de, and get themselves ready for the BECE examination. So we are here at the center, that is Apodel's Multimedia, to get you a live a feel of what things are going on here on the field. That's one of the centers. Through some of the locations where some of the students will be writing their BECE examination. I think they will write here. This is where exactly the same venue I wrote my BECE over 20 years ago. Tarkwa Catholic. My school, Gogo Memorial Schools Complex, was writing BECE at that is I think UBAS upper school, and then they moved us to this location. So our batch was the first batch ever to be moved to this new center. So that's Catholic School. So this is where I wrote my BECE, and today too we have some students from other schools who will be writing their BECE. So I believe Gogo Memorial Schools Complex also is writing its BECE here also, likewise. So this is the center. The place is very, serene, looking at the greenery, the trees that could give the children fresh air and stuff when they attempt writing their examination. So I know things would go well here at the center. And another school has just arrived. We'll just get closer and then see them and have a feel of what things will go for them. So I would want to get closer to the school that has just arrived. I want to know the school that has just arrived. Looking at their uniform, it's a government school, but which government school unless we get closer to be able to know them? You can see they are well dressed. That's them work for this match. Very well dressed. Look at their footwear, their white socks and all those things. Maybe their teachers are telling them something, giving them some morals and things, reminding them of few things they need to do at the center as they have just arrived. So I'm trying my best to get closer to these students from this school and see the few being at the examination center for the first time in their lives. So this is Amokwesin. All right, students from Amokwesin, they are here to write their BECE examination. And the teacher said they cannot grant interviews. And that is true because with government schools, they don't have that permission to respond to questions from media houses unless it comes directly from the directorate. Being a teacher myself, I think I know this. So with the government schools, I think that is it. So that is Amokwesin for you, students from Amokwesin, getting themselves ready for their first day of exams. So according to the examination officer from the Ghana Education Service, that is Tarkwa Nsuaem, he said it last Saturday on Tarkwa FM. He made mention the total number of students writing the BECE in the Tarkwa Nsuaem municipality. And he said there are over 4,431 student candidates writing the BECE here in the Tarkwa Nsuaem municipality. So that is the total number of students writing the examination, and that is it. So they are writing this examination in 12 various centers, of which I can remember some. We have here where I am now, the Tarkwa Catholic School. We have Tarkwa Nsuaem, and we have this school. That is Tarkwa Senior High School. It's also another center. We have Fiaseman Senior High School. It's also another wonderful center. And we have venues, locations, exam centers at Nsuaem and other areas that the examination will also be written there. So I have a school here. Please, what school is this? Gadiel Akwa. What's the full name? Memorial School. Wow, I like the name. The way you people are sounding as if you are singing. Gadiel Akwa Memorial. You ever saw there? Academy. All right. How many are you?
22.
Oh, 22 candidates writing the examination. What's your boy? What's your boy needs you here? Most was so no. Now, what's your name? Derek Ando. You can stand where you are. Okay. All right. So, what is the feel being here for the first time, going to write BECE? I wrote my BECE here over 20 years ago myself. This very room up there, that's where I wrote mine. Go Memorial Schools Complex. Yeah, So being here for the first time, what is the feel, you know?
It's scary, but we are not feeling good about it because I'm listening.
Exactly. Yeah. Yes. Mixed feelings, of course, that's necessary. It will come, but it will calm down after today. You think that is so BECE, yeah. All of us wrote BECE for the first time. But whatever you have learned, my encouragement is that, just don't panic, so that if you panic, you forget. So if you have those things in mind, then you'll be able to remember and write, okay? I'm also a teacher. Yeah, I've been at Naraguta Grammar School for the past 17 years, teaching pre-tech. Say appear. I don't know if you know me, say appear. I also left for... best wishes and good luck to all of you. See you. Bye-bye. Another school is just arriving at the center. Another school is just arriving on their way, arriving at the center. And this is SDA school. That is McNelos Adventists. That is they are arriving at the center right now. Yes, usually when students arrive at examination centers and or travelers have arrived at a location, they would have to pray to God. They have to give thanks to God. So I believe they are, showing some appreciation to the Almighty for at least making them come and meet today, write their examination successfully. So they will soon get down, and then we have some a little interaction with the students. Yes, there is yet another school also coming in. This is also not a private school, a government school. Looking at their uniform, you can see it's also a government school. I think one of the Anglican schools that has just popped in here at the center. I think the bell has been rung, calling all students who are ready for their examination for an assembly. At least there is an initial briefing for the students, at least some words of encouragement for the students on the first day of this BECE examination. We have McNeilos Adventist School coming in for their examination. This is McNeilos, right? Oh, okay. All the best, okay? Oh, I'm better than you, TV. Oh, BECE. All right, all the best. Okay, so that is McNeilos Adventist School. That is it. So we are currently moving towards a different center, another center, that is a new Atiabo center, to see what is also going on there, and then if possible other centers also. So we want to bring you the feel of the first day of writing BECE here in Tarkwa Nsuaem. From my alma mater also writing, that is Gogo Memorial Schools Complex. So I'm passing by to collect something from one of the teachers. So that is it. So in your shots is my agric science teacher going straight on my YouTube channel, and Mademoiselle, French Madame Papa. So Kofi, good morning. Please, how are you doing? Good. I'm also fine. I went to the examination centers to have a first live view of what is going on there. Now, I'm able to hear it. So Kofi, so at the exam center, that is a new Atiabo exam center. When we arrived, the students have already entered and they are done with the assembly, and they've entered the exams hall and about to begin writing the first ever paper. So I think that is it with this very center, that is new Atiabo examination center. So that is what is going on here. So we can have in your shot some teachers from various schools with their students writing here. We have Precious Gift Bilingual Academy, and schools, different schools, both private and government schools here on the channel, doing whatever they have to do to succeed in the examination. I am currently at one of the examination centers here in Tarkwa, in the Tarkwa Nsuaem municipality. That is Fiaseman Senior High School. Fiaseman Senior High School, and the students, they are on recess. That is on break, and they are probably taking lunch and getting themselves ready for the next subject. So we want to get closer to see what is actually going on in there, and have a little interactions here and there. I think in my shot I can see students from Divine Victory Academy here in the Tarkwa Nsuaem municipality. So, and there are some teachers there in the shelter, helping their students, encouraging them, giving them the necessary, encouragement needed for these students to write their examinations. Check your time, it's 12:45 here at Fiaseman Senior High School, and the students have entered into their various centers, and they are getting ready for the second paper. So that is in your shots, as you can see all over the campuses of the Fiaseman Senior High School. Students are writing their examination from various schools in the municipality, and that is what we have here. We have Divine Victory Academy, other schools from other various places are here. There are a lot of teachers here to give their students the support that is needed to help them succeed and then write the exams. It will be very sad if you are writing your exams and then at the end of the paper you come out and you realize that your teachers are not around. It will be very sad. So we have teachers from various schools. They are here to support their student, and I don't think there had been any examination malpractice so far. So this is the Fiaseman Senior High School examination center for the BECE 2024. From Apodels Multimedia and Infantica Session team on YouTube and all other social media platforms, we want to extend our best wishes to all BECE candidates in the country writing their examination today, especially to the 4,431 candidates writing BECE in the Tarkwa Nsuaem. Wish them the best, and we pray that nothing of any negative thing happen to them throughout the week, and then they do their best to come out with the best as their teachers have taught them.